Hi there, Michael from the Rokform product team here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and installation for the camera lens protector kit for the iPhone 17 series. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro camera lens protector kit, and we will also do an installation. So first we'll open up the box. Here's everything that we have inside, everything to get you ready to install. This is the camera lens protector itself, and then the cleaning wipe and alcohol prep pad. So first thing before we can install, we should take the phone out of the case. We can leave the case aside because we can put that back on when we're all done with our installation. Put that on the side. What we can do is go over it, get any of the initial dust that might be on there, make sure it's a nice clean surface before we do any of the installation. Then we'll take our alcohol prep pad. We can wipe it on there, make sure we get any last little debris and make it as clean as possible. This will help make sure the adhesive on the backing of the camera lens protector secures perfectly to the back of the phone. And then we'll give that a little bit of time to dry. And then last, we have our adhesive strip that we can use to get any last little pieces of debris on there, any dust that might have been floating around. And now we are ready to install the camera lens protector. So what we'll need to do, we'll just take it off of the backing. And we've got the adhesive on the back of it here, and that just fits nice and securely onto the phone, right over the lens protector or the lenses themselves. And then we can press down. And just press firmly for a few seconds. And then the adhesive will stick to the back of the phone and keep your camera lenses protected. Now that it's installed, we can install the phone back into the case, just like we did originally. Just slides in, one side and then the other, and we are ready to go with our camera lenses protected. Thanks for watching our unboxing and installation video of the camera lens protector kit for the iPhone 17 series. You can come to our showroom in Irvine to pick up yours and other Rokform accessories, or get more on rokform.com.